The same is true with your product pages. Here you'll see now. I spent some time doing conversion eye studies and all of that kind of thing, and this page really hurts me. If anyone's on your product page, the only thing you want them to do is buy the product. That's the only goal. So right now, the add to basket button is very small. It blends in with the design of the site, the green here, right? And it should be big and bold and ugly, and it should be the most aggressive thing on the page. But here it's very subtle and hidden away. On top of that, we've got these recent posts on the right. Like, if you've got someone in this page, do you want them to click the buy button, or do you want them to go and review a recent post, right? So the recent post has to go, the buy button has to be big and clear. This discount table is not clear. It makes the buying process more confusing rather than simplifying it. So from a conversion point of view, there's a lot to do here. From an SEO point of view, the description's kind of weak. It doesn't really tell you that much. And then we can look at reviews from customers, from Amazon. Yeah, it weighs point one. That's the additional information you've got, like not how to brew it, not how to use a product, nothing like that. Just this is what it weighs. Great, right? And the reviews are kind of weak as well. Both came in on the same day. Probably not real reviews. Let's be honest. If you've not had any before or after, right? Just a very generally weak product page, right? In contrast, let's take a look at this product page. Great bold imagery that you can zoom in. Oops, just kick the camera there. Let me bring it back with my foot. There we go. Nice big bold imagery, easy to click through. Lots of options in terms of weight. You can GIF wrap it. Big bold button. Great product description, tells you how to use it, talks about the ingredients, links to recipes, shows you the region that it's from, the tasting notes, how to brew it, everything you need to know about the product, not just in terms of should I buy it, but also then once you've bought it, how to use it and what to expect. This is a great example of a product detail page done right, and again in stark contrast to what we see here on Athlete's Brew. So this is a common issue I see across a lot of e-commerce sites. You really need to put some effort into your category pages so that they aid the customer's buying decision and also give Google the content that it wants, and also in your product pages as well. Don't sleep on this. It's very, very important.